6 Home remedies for toothache that really work. Toothaches can vary greatly, from mild soreness to an unbearable throbbing pain in your teeth or around your jaws. Some of the main causes of toothaches are cavities, an infection, an exposed tooth root, a cracked tooth, gum disease, a loose filling, or jaw joint disorder. A toothache, see the above diagram, happens when the central region of the tooth, known as the pulp, becomes irritated or inflamed. The pulp consists of several nerve endings that are highly sensitive. Pulp can become inflamed or irritated for many reasons, some of which are noted above. If you have toothache, it is best to seek immediate advice from a dentist before the problem worsens. You can also try some natural remedies to relieve the pain temporarily. 1. Pepper and salt. Salt mixed with pepper can be of great use when a tooth becomes extremely sensitive, as both the ingredients have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. 2. Garlic. Use of garlic can also provide immense relief from toothache. Garlic has antibiotic and other medicinal properties that can be very effective in reducing the pain. 3. Cloves. Cloves have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antioxidant and anesthetic properties that help alleviate tooth pain and fight infection. 5. Asafoetida. Dental problems such as toothaches and bleeding gums can be treated at home with the use of Asafoetida. 6. Warm salt water. A simple glass of warm salt water can help treat a toothache. Mix half a spoon of common salt in a glass of hot water and use it to rinse your mouth thoroughly. It will help reduce swelling and inflammation, and also fight the bacteria that cause infection.